Hi friends, are you looking for the authentic site review? If yes, then you're watching the right video as through this video I'm going to provide you the brief information about this website. What you need to do is just watch the video till end to find whether is a AuthenticSite.com a scam or a trustworthy website. And before starting, let me tell you that it is not a sponsored video, neither this website is owned by me. So without wasting much time, let's get started. This is the home page of the website, and over this website you can see that AuthenticSite.com offers decals and stickers for the decoration of your kitchen. And guys, the point to note here is that there is very less amount of varieties provided by the company, and that too is odd. Guys, before proceeding further, I would request you to like, share and subscribe my channel because it will help you guys to get the notification each time when I upload some informative videos on my channel. Now, let's proceed to know information related to payments. So here we can see that the only payment option available is PayPal. Friends, now let's check the shipping and refund policy. So here we can see that the estimated shipping time along with return duration is directly stated. Here they have stated that orders are shipped within 3 to 5 business days, which usually arrives between 2 to 5 business days. And guys, here we can see that the shipping charges are not specified. So let's have a look on return refund policies. So guys, here we can see that they have stated that return items must be postmarked within 14 days of receiving your order, and refund will be initiated in 1 to 2 business days in the form of stock credit, which can be used on next purchase. So guys, note that you won't get your refund in the original mode of payment. Now let's check the cancellation policy. So here we can see that they have stated once an order has been placed, the order cannot be cancelled. So guys, now it becomes very important to know how to reach their customer care executives if you wish to return the items bought from this website. So let's check the contact details. So here on the official page we can see that company's address, its contact number and an email ID is provided, which is support@AuthenticSite.com. Guys, here I would like to highlight that the provided company's address is incorrect because there is no business with name Authentic Site that has been mentioned on or around this address on Google Maps. Instead, there are other businesses mentioned here. So it is a negative sign. And addition to this, AuthenticSite.com lacks presence on social media platforms, which again is a negative highlight. Now, let's proceed to talk on those important points which will help us in checking the authenticity of this website. So guys, AuthenticSite.com uses HTTPS connection, therefore the information you send or get through the website is safe, which is quite a positive sign. But guys, HTTPS connection alone is not sufficient to consider a website as legit. Therefore, let's check the registration details. So guys, the domain name of Authentic Site was registered on 20 April 2021. Thus, the website does not have much traffic as it is new and is not much popular among the people. So now let's talk on AuthenticSite.com reviews. Because guys, customer reviews are one of the most critical factor to identify the legitimacy of any website. So here on the official website, you will see that there is no section for customers' feedback. And as I said, it was registered just a couple of months ago. So over the internet, I could not find even a single customer review regarding the quality of the items offered here. Also, the trust index of the website is extremely poor, which again is a negative highlight. And in addition to this guys, I spotted one very weird thing about this website, which is that a customer is allowed to purchase only less than $100 worth items from this website. And guys, we all know that none of the legit online stores will put such price cap because such price cap will harm their earnings. So guys, closer look at AuthenticSite.com reveals red flags such as unrealistic price of the products, incorrect contact details, cap on the prices of the products, lack of customer remarks, low score on Trustpilot, copied content and lack of presence on social media platforms makes us to doubt the authenticity of this website. So guys, prevention being a better option, I would recommend all the viewers not to shop from this website because there is a high risk of receiving low quality goods or nothing at all. So guys, that was all about AuthenticSite.com reviews. And apart from this friends, if you have ever ordered anything from this website, do share your feedback in the comment section below because after all we are here to spread the awareness about scams. So let's do it together. Let's save innocent people from scams. Also guys, do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to protect yourself from online fraud. Bye bye guys, stay safe, stay informed.